Hi, Gleb Bakhmutov here, and I want to show you something that's not really documented in Cypress config documentation. Imagine we have a local site running on localhost 5000. Well, it certainly is convenient to use localhost, but it's not behaving like a real host name. Unfortunately, if we, for example, want to use something else like www.demo-site.com, it goes outside and is resolved by DNS servers. In this case, it goes to a squatter right here. So we can redirect our local machine to resolve host names first before it goes to the DNS. We do this by using a file called private/etc/hosts. In this case, I opened it using sudo, and here's what I can say. Whenever someone goes to www.demo-site.com, go to my local IP address. So here I say, anytime someone wants to go to demosite.com, they'll be redirected to the local machine. Great, save it. And now, because our site runs on port 5000, whenever we go to the browser and we'll say demosite.com port 5000, it goes to our local site. This works, but it doesn't work if we try to run those tests on the CI, because we don't have access, especially sudo access, to the host file on the CI machine. So what can we do instead? Well, first of all, let's disable our host file redirect. I'm going to save it. So now it no longer will respond. Sometimes it takes a couple seconds to do this. Okay, now I see how it's hanging because it actually went outside. And instead we can take Cypress JSON, use the base value we want, and then put the host table there. And the host is an object where we can say anytime someone asks for this host name, redirect them to this IP, in this case, a local site. And so what happens when we start Cypress? Cypress open. We load our spec file. It goes to visit the base URL, and notice that the base URL is the demosite.com with port 5000, and it passes. So Cypress has this built-in host object that you can use to bypass and avoid using the host file, and this works on a local machine or on CI. Really convenient for authentication and redirects.